Good day, traders. This is the second in a series of educational shorts and high probability chart patterns. My name is Mark Lykos. Identifying productive trade opportunities can be difficult for the novice or even the seasoned trader. I'm going to show you one of the most productive trade setups I look for when scanning charts in plays in the index futures, equities, forex, or commodities. It works well in any market and in any time frame. But first, I'd like to discuss the trade cycle all markets identify with. Markets move up and down within trade cycles from range high to range low. The best reversal setups are found at the outer boundaries of these trade cycles. The chart pattern I'm going to show you today is a pattern called an engulfment reversal. It is a very productive reversal pattern when found at either a range high or a range low of a trade cycle. It works best when combined with a key level of support or key level of resistance in a liquid market, that is, a market with volume. Here's the bullish engulfment pattern found at a range low, denoting a directional reversal bar that qualifies the setup. It's most productive when it sets up like this at a key level of support. Here's a practical example of a bullish engulfment reversal showing itself after a decline at a range low on a 5-minute chart. This is on the semiconductor Xilinx. Here's an example of a bullish forex engulfment reversal after a steep decline at a range low. Amazing how this pattern targets reversals when found at range lows. Here's an example of another bullish index futures engulfment reversal after a run to the downside at a range low. Here's the bearish engulfment pattern found at a range high, denoting a directional reversal bar that qualifies the setup. It's most productive when it sets up like this at a key level of resistance. Here's a practical example of a bearish engulfment reversal showing itself after a run up to a range high on a 5-minute chart. Here's a practical example of a bearish engulfment reversal in a forex pair showing itself after topping out at a range high on a 15-minute chart. Here's a final practical example of a bearish engulfment reversal in an index future NQ showing itself at the top of a range on a 60-minute chart. Guys, scanning charts for potential trade setups is an integral part of a professional trader's game. I've shown you one of my more productive technical chart patterns that has worked well for me over the years. You do well to learn and spot this setup at range highs against resistance and at range lows at support. I'll share more productive patterns with you soon. Until then, good trading.